Decoding the Term Dialogue. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to delve deep into a term that's commonly used but sometimes misunderstood: dialogue. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also how to use it correctly. Dialogue is a noun which refers to a conversation between two or more people. It's often used to depict verbal exchanges in stories, plays, movies, and even everyday life. Imagine watching a movie where characters are talking to each other. That conversation is a dialogue. To grasp the meaning better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a play, you might read, "John, how are you today, Alice?" "Alice, I'm good, thanks for asking." "John." This is a clear representation of a dialogue. 2. If you're reading a book and come across two characters discussing their plans for the day, that's a dialogue too. 3. Even in real life, when you're chatting with a friend about your weekend plans, you're engaging in a dialogue. Understanding synonyms can further deepen our comprehension. Some synonyms for dialogue include conversation, a general term for talking. Discussion often implies a deeper or more formal conversation. Chat, a casual conversation. Talk, a generic term similar to conversation. While these synonyms can sometimes be used interchangeably with dialogue, always consider the context to pick the most suitable word. In literature, like novels or short stories, dialogues help in 1. Character development. Through dialogues, we can learn about a character's personality, beliefs, and feelings. 2. Moving the plot forward. Conversations between characters can lead to significant events in the story. 3. Creating realism. Dialogues make characters and situations feel more real and relatable. Similarly, in movies, dialogues play a pivotal role in conveying emotions, showcasing relationships, and building the story. Thank you for joining us today in exploring the term dialogue. We hope this video has been insightful and has clarified the concept for you. The next time you engage in a conversation or read one in a book, remember, you're witnessing a dialogue. Happy learning!